It's Thursday morning, 11 o'clock in the morning, and I have just realised I really need to tidy the house, so I'm going to try to do that this week. In other news, I do have some updates on the house. So last time when I spoke to you, I was just talking in general about how difficult it is to even get a viewing for a house, to get yourself in the best position to buy, and also that we were going to get some viewings, some valuations. Yesterday we had some pretty tough conversations with a couple of them that we favoured. What I have learned is they are salespeople at the end of the day. They're trying to get themselves the best business, and they don't always necessarily have your best interests at heart. We called two of them yesterday that we really liked. One of them's getting back to us on some little details that they kept hidden, or they were trying to conceal from us. So not that gives me the best vibe that maybe we shouldn't go with them, but I know that they're a business at the end of the day, so I'm trying to see past that. I don't know, it might come back and bite us in the bum, but yeah, that's where we are. I'm about to ring our newly pledged estate agent and tell him that we would like to go with their company. Rob's just about to come downstairs, but I thought I'd film it for you because it might be a bit of fun.
Oh, hi Shannon, how you doing?
Good, thank you. Sorry I didn't manage to catch you earlier.
Oh no, it's alright.
I've spoken to Rob. Good news. He's quite happy with everything that you've said so far. So we would like to go with you guys to sell the house.
I'm glad that we got that all sorted, and again I can only apologise for kind of what's happened on that side.
That's
of
okay.
Things on there.
Don't worry.
3 o'clock on Tuesday work for photos for you guys.
Rob's here now. 3 o'clock on Tuesday for photos. That works, doesn't it?
Yeah, yes.
Perfect. I'll get that booked in. Games will be out on Tuesday. Would you be able to send me an email following that with both of your IDs? Would that be all right? Yeah,
so like passports or something?
Either passport or driver's license, whatever you can reach first.
Okay, cool.
On Tuesday, and hopefully we can get everything sorted from there. But cool. Any questions, give us a ring back, and we'll see how we can help from that side of things.
Amazing. Very exciting. Thank you so much,
right.
Sam.
No problem. Thanks for the call.
Okay, speak soon. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Woohoo! No, we're on camera. Don't fart.
I'm not.
So our house is gonna go on the market. Woohoo!
It's been a long time coming.
A long time coming. Last November, that's when I had the first valuation of the house. So that's 8 months.
Good job of waiting. We probably made about 20 grand in the house.
Yeah, to be fair, good job that we did wait, because it has just ramped up. The prices have absolutely ramped up. I will let you know more details when we get everything booked in. We've read through the contract, we're happy with it, we've signed it. The photographer comes round, and then they're going to put us on the market. So we'll be on the market by the end of next week. By the time we fly, our house will be on the market. Woohoo! I feel so good that that's the first step done, because that's a pretty big step.
That's the hardest bit. Everything else is we get help off other people.
Yeah. Yeah, we had to do a lot of like adulting ourselves, like
too much effort.
Organising stuff. I really don't think this is the hardest bit though. Like I've heard it's a long slog, but at least we've made steps, and it wasn't too stressful.
Nah.
And I think fingers crossed, we've made a good decision with the estate agent.
Yeah,
they're like one of the most supreme elite ones, in the northeast. They've got a very good vibe and aura and look. Seem quite professional. So we'll see how that goes down. So once we can start getting people through the door for viewings, they'll obviously start putting in offers, fingers crossed, hopefully they will. And then that means
we're gonna be rich.
We might be able to secure a buyer, and that means that we can actually start to move on in our process of looking for a house down south. So if something comes up, we can jump on it immediately, and we can put an offer in because we know how much we can afford to spend on that house. So exciting. Woohoo! Cool. Good morning. I've been such an idiot, and I had such a fun little activity that I was doing this morning and totally forgot to film it for YouTube because I was so concentrated on filming it for Instagram. But I'll insert some little clips where I might have been able to make it work. But essentially, look, I've made these two little bird boxes. I was thinking like I want a bird box or something in the garden to attract more birds and like wildlife. Just so happens that No More Nails sent out this little kit, and they sent me two for some reason. So I made two of them anyway because the more the merrier. The first one was a shambles. shambles. The second one worked out really, really well and was so easy to do. But they're really cute. The only thing is I'm not a fan of the colours. If you know me, you know that I love anything neutral or black. So we're going to head to Wilko. I've used No More Nails so many times, but they've got this, I don't know if it's new to be honest, but they've got this kind of pump on top so that you don't need to use the skeleton gun. I've already opened and used this one, but essentially if I take that little cap off and then you just push this to pump, it all just comes out. It's really, really clever. We're gonna head to Wilko because I was in there the other day and saw a really nice paint that is for like outdoors, and I was like, I need to use that on something, so we're gonna go and grab that. So I really like this colour. English Sage is what I came in here for, but they only have it in this massive pot for 12 quid. And they've got this willow, which is like a sage green. They don't have the actual English sage green, so I think I'm going to go for willow and see how it goes. I think this is as good as we're going to get, to be honest. Let's take these home. I also got this seed and nut mix from Wilko. This is about £4, and I'm either going to hang it underneath because the bird boxes came with these little hooks, so I could screw them into the bottom and then hook, you know, the food from the bottom, and then the birds can peck at it. But some people did say that put the food somewhere away from the house because it attracts predators, so the birds don't feel safe in their little houses. So I might just put this somewhere else in the garden. But oh, it's gonna be so cute if birds start coming to the house. How adorable. Oh, I need to glue the lid on. Might do that afterwards. Okay, I'm gonna paint all of this white. To be fair, I don't see very many birds like come to our garden. Maybe it's because we don't have anywhere for them to kind of have shelter. We've got a lot of seagulls in the area though. I don't want to attract those. They're so annoying. And they're really vicious as well. Doesn't feel like wood or furniture paint or outdoor paint. It really feels just like kind of emulsion. I have a feeling that the tester pots are just for colour reference. So this probably isn't going to hold up too well, but I'm going to spray it all with a lacquer. Just to seal it all in. I'm just so excited for what's to come. Like, I just keep saying to people, like, I can't wait for the content that is about to come now. If we can find the right house, the content will be mad. The content will be, you'll be sick of me by the time we have our house. The amount of videos and stuff that I'm gonna have. I'm not gonna lie, I look like absolute poop right now, but my hair, don't even look at my hair, but I'm trying to leave it so that I can wash it as close to Vegas as possible. I'm just not even thinking about it right now. But one thing that we need to do is we have finalised who we're going with for selling our house, and we need to tidy it because we've basically got a booking on Thursday to get the professional photography taken for the listing of the house online, which is really exciting. But obviously now I'm stressing because I'm just a mega stress head anyway, but it means that we need to tidy the house. Like, we need to get it clean. I've done some work this morning, so I don't feel too bad already. Like, I don't feel guilty because I know that this is going to take a long time. I've got Rob on hand. He's currently mowing the lawn. I'm gonna, actually no, I need to show you something. I need to show you one thing. So I didn't get to show you yesterday because it was horrible weather. I probably actually I should have left it to do today, to be honest. I should have cleaned the house yesterday and then been in the garden today instead, but hey ho. So look how bloody lovely and sunny and gorgeous it is, first of all. It would be when we're going to Vegas, but you know, these are, Rob's just mowing the lawn, so ignore that, but these are the new little birdie houses that I made. I do know some of you have given me tips already. I need to take the food and move it elsewhere because these are nesting boxes and the birds won't nest where there's food. Other territorial or predatory birds will come and like disrupt the birds, and even me when I'm trying to like change up the food for them. Actually, I'll just be like disturbing the nest, so I need to find somewhere to put that. And then I've got this one here, so cute. It looks so much better when it's sunny, honestly. I've got this one here, which is a green body with a cream top and bottom. Just noticed I didn't really glue that very well, did I? But it looks so good in the sun. I do still need to plant these plants. It rained yesterday, so I'm not sure they're looking too dead, but it's probably because they need more soil. But I need to plant these. A lot of the flowers have just come on tremendously, even in the last week, because me and Rob did the garden last week, and a lot of the plants have started to bloom really nicely. Also, I'm very aware that in the last video I kept saying de-weeding. I got in trouble on that on my Instagram. Someone said it's not de-weeding, it's just weeding. Why are you saying de-weeding? I was like, I don't know, to be honest. I just don't know the terminology. Anyway, I'll probably show you all of that if you haven't already seen, if I haven't already done like the proper gardening video, you'll see all of that in there if it's coming up. But the rest of this video, I think essentially is going to be us getting the house clean, ready for photos to be taken on Tuesday. And then that's kind of where we're going to wrap the vlog up, because then it becomes the Vegas vlog. You guys gave so many recommendations over my Instagram, so I'm going to vlog and try to get as much, I'm going to try to get as many good like places for you to go and things to see, and basically I'll just vlog it for you. But anyway, let's get this house clean.
as everyone was standing idly by, trying not to watch or intervene as tears were streaming down her face, down her face. likely that it would be caught in a breeze. She whispered words not meant to be heard. She started to shiver, though she didn't freeze. Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go.
This is more satisfying. This is so satisfying.
Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go. High above us in the clouds, soaring in the wind, a ribbon